Hi everyone, let's be real. Losing weight can be one of the most frustrating and emotional journeys we go through. You try diet after diet, put in hours at the gym, and sometimes it feels like nothing is working. If that hits close to home, you're not alone. But today, I want to share something that could help turn things around. Leanbiome. If you're curious, by the end of this, I'll leave a link in the description with a special discount just for you. So, what's Leanbiome? It's a natural supplement designed to support weight loss by targeting a part of your body you might not think about often, your gut. Here's why this matters. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that play a huge role in things like digestion, metabolism, and even how your body stores fat. When your gut bacteria are out of balance, it can feel impossible to lose weight no matter how hard you try. Leanbiome works by restoring that balance. It uses probiotics, those good bacteria your gut needs, and prebiotics, which fuel those probiotics to thrive. It's like hitting the reset button on your body. Plus, it has ingredients like green tea extract to gently boost your metabolism. The formula is designed to work with your body, not against it, which is so important if you're already feeling stuck. Now, let's talk results, because I know that's what you care about most. I've seen story after story of people who felt hopeless finally start seeing progress with Leanbiome. They're reporting less bloating, fewer cravings, more energy, and yes, weight loss. One woman shared how she'd been stuck at the same weight for years despite eating healthy and exercising. After starting Leanbiome, she finally started shedding pounds and feeling good again. The key here is consistency. This isn't a magic pill, it's a tool to help you break through the barriers that have been holding you back. Combine it with simple, healthy habits, and you could finally start seeing the progress you've been working so hard for. And if you're nervous about trying something new, I get it. The good news is that Leanbiome comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee. That's 6 full months to try it out. If it's not for you, you can get a full refund, even if you finish the bottle. It's basically a no-risk way to see if this could be the solution you've been searching for. One really important thing I want to mention, Leanbiome is only sold on its official website. That's the only place to get the real deal. So don't waste your money on knockoffs or shady sellers. I've linked the official site in the description below, and they're offering a special discount right now, but it's only for a limited time. If you've been waiting for the right moment, this is it. Here's the bottom line. If you're tired of spinning your wheels and feeling like nothing works, Leanbiome could be exactly what you need. It's not about perfection or quick fixes. It's about giving your body the support it needs to finally work with you, not against you. So, what do you have to lose? Check out the link in the description, grab that discount, and give it a shot. And if you've tried it already, let me know how it's worked for you.